Evolve to cleaner technologies. Evolve to a smooth and refined experience. Evolve to quicker pickups. Evolve to uncompromised safety. Evolve to getting more out of very little. Evolve to the future today. Evolve to electric.
Let's look at the product attributes of the Tigor EV. In terms of performance, it gives a peak power output of 55 kilowatt and a peak torque of 170 Newton meter. Tigor EV does a 0 to 60 kilometers an hour in 5.7 seconds for a zippy and exciting drive. It can negotiate the steepest of gradients without any compromise. In terms of technology, Tigor EV comes with a 26 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, which is efficiently packaged, providing the highest onboard energy in the segment. The battery management system strategies of Tigor EV are tailor-made, basis real-world testing in India. It also offers 30-plus connected car features, including remote commands and remote diagnostics, so you can be in touch with your EV through your phone. In terms of efficient energy management, the Tigor EV deploys unique software strategies perfected over millions of kilometers to extract the maximum energy from battery pack. It is equipped with industry-leading low rolling resistance tires with 10% lower rolling losses. Tigor EV deploys efficient regeneration strategies that have been fine-tuned basis real-world testing in Indian traffic conditions. In terms of reliability, the Tigor EV has got an IP67 rated battery pack and motor to make it weather and worry proof, and comes with an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer battery and motor warranty. In terms of safety, Tigor EV is based on a proven platform with rear crash compatible structure and also complies with ODB 64 test standard. The impact resistant battery pack casing of the Tigor EV complies with AIS 048 standard for nail penetration at cell level. In terms of charging, Tigor EV is compatible with globally acceptable CCS2 charging protocol and can be fast charged as well as slow charged from any 15 ampere plug point. When opting for fast charging, it will only take about an hour to charge from 0 to 80% capacity. For home charging, it takes approximately 8.5 hours, again to charge from 0 to 80% capacity. In terms of comfort, Tigor EV has got a silent cabin, spacious interiors, with ample headroom and legroom for comfortable seating. It offers a superior driving dynamics and handling aided by lower center of gravity and balanced suspension setup, offering a very comfortable ride. Now that we know all about the Ziptron technology and key attributes of the Tigor EV,
let's have a deeper look at our second product on the Ziptron platform, the Tigor EV. Tigor EV is based on 3 key product pillars: technology, comfort, and safety. Tigor EV comes packed with technology across its powertrain, infotainment, connectivity, and charging. It comes with a high voltage Ziptron EV architecture, which offers high energy density lithium-ion battery pack and a very efficient motor, resulting in optimizing the range and performance. It is compatible to the globally acceptable CCS2 fast charging standard and also offers regular charging from any 15 amp plug point. Needless to say, every Tigor EV will come with a free 15 amp home charger installed by Tata Motors. The Tigor EV comes with smart regeneration capability, which further enhances the range of the vehicle. Automatic transmission with sports mode is standard across all variants, providing the customer with a choice of an efficient or a spirited drive as the situation or the mood demands. A 7-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters provides best-in-segment connectivity and infotainment. The connected car suite IRA is also offered with 30-plus features, including remote commands, intrusion alert, remote cooling, charging status, time to full charge, and remote diagnostics. Talking about the second pillar, the Tigor EV has prioritized and providing a comfortable, smooth, and relaxing drive. The silent in-cabin experience, spacious interiors, and a suspension setup optimized for an extremely smooth and relaxing drive. The upmarket fully automatic temperature control is standard across all variants of the Tigor. It comes with electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. Height adjustable driver seat providing optimum driving position for multiple drivers. It is equipped with smart key with a push button start. A portable charging cable is standard on every Tigor EV. The Tigor EV's boot space of 316 liters is expandable up to 375 liters based on an option of removing the spare wheel. We are also giving customers a tire puncture kit which would help in case of a flat tire. Safety is a key pillar across all Tata Motor vehicles, and the Tigor EV provides class-leading safety from crash as well as usability point of view. Standard safety features of the Tigor EV include an IP67 weatherproof battery pack and motor, dual airbags, ABS with EBD and corner stability control, hill ascent assist and hill descent assist.
The all-new Tigor EV, powered by Ziptron.
Isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, you can now pre-book your Tigor EV online or at your nearest Tata Motors showroom. The Tigor EV goes on sale on 31st of August. On behalf of Tata Motors, I thank you all for your time today. Let's evolve to electric.